I need to make a no frills, no thrills wall bracket for myself. I found this rod outside, and I'm not even sure what it is. I think it's a piece of small rebar. I sometimes see these rods in hardware stores. If anyone knows, just let me know in the comments. And I've got this small piece of pipe. This fits inside well, so I'll figure out something. I need to give a big shout out to Michael Cornell for his very generous donation to the channel. And I also need to thank Stephen Minion Watkins for his latest super thanks donation. Folks like you are the heart of this channel, keeping the blood flowing. Thanks a lot, fellas. A friendly reminder, if you quench pipe, always keep the top end pointing away from you, otherwise you might get splattered with scalding water and steam. So there it is. Nothing fancy. Like I said, no frills. Someone once said that these old tiles make it look like I live in a Soviet tenement building, and that suits me just fine. Over time, I seem to prefer the worn and used look, just like myself. I need to make a few of these for tools as well. I really appreciate everyone, and I'll catch you guys next time.